Well, I had a company reach out to me. Let me just hold it up here. This item is the one I was talking about. Let me see. Is that the front? I guess it don't matter which side. And they're made in China, obviously. Its company name is Alloy Man. I've never heard of them, so you be your own judge with it. Now, I'm assuming this one is corded. It's got a 1-year warranty. As you can see what it is, it's a variable speed polisher. I guess it says it'll take 7-inch or 6-inch polishing disc. Like I said, I don't. My vehicles are new. I don't really have a need to polish paint. It would have been nice if they would have sent me this back when I had my bike, because it did need to be polished. Okay. Now, I put this pad on. I think this is the 6-inch. What did it say? It come with a 6-inch and a 7-inch? Yeah, 7 and 6. It did. And I don't think it came with anything that actually fits this. Maybe the sandpaper. No. Sandpaper don't even fit. So that's kind of weird why it would come with a big old pad when nothing they sent fits it. So that's kind of weird. And I guess you got to buy your own, right? Anyway, like I said, it did come with this one, the 6-inch, and everything fits on it. It came with some sandpaper. It's all 120 grit sandpaper. This is Velcro. Now, I'm not going to open this stuff up because I'm not going to use it right now, so I'm just going to leave it in the pack. Might even do a giveaway of it. Who knows? Come with a blue pad, polishing pad. A black one. I know that's kind of hard to see, but that one's just looks like a flat one. This one is like cones. And it comes with this one. Okay. And it also comes with 2 of these. The cloth ones for buffing. I guess those are polishing and this is for buffing. Final. Okay. It came with some brushes, some screws to mount the handle, and an Allen wrench. And it came with the side handle. I'm not going to put the top handle on. It goes right there. Obviously, I guess you can't have both of them. You got to take the side handle off, put this on with the screws or bolts. I'm not going to use that. Not right now, anyway. Anyway, I got it plugged in. Now, I will say, let me unplug it and show you what I'm talking about. The trigger don't sound the best. Sounds awful crunchy, don't it? So let me plug it back in, see what it sounds like. Now it is variable speed. That's on 1. Goes all the way up to 7. That's 7. Now, I will say it's heavy. So, I mean, I don't know if that means it's any good, but. And it don't have a trigger lock. I thought the button on the side was to keep you from sitting it on something and the trigger going off, or start running. But I guess it's to lock the trigger on. That is exactly what it is. I'm not going to set it on the pad. So, I mean, it sounds okay. It don't feel cheap. Even though I think it's only like $49 or $50, something like that, on Amazon. So but I'll also put direct links. So if you don't want to search for them, you can go directly to it and check it out or buy it, whatever you want to do. Okay. So not trying to talk bad about the tool. I don't know why it did it. I'm going to see if I can fix it. Anyway, I mean, I guess it's no big deal. You could actually take it all the way out and not worry about it falling out and losing it, and you can just stick a pin in there or a screwdriver or something to hold the motor still while you turn on the pads. All I did was set this tool down from when I was just holding it. I set it down, and this popped out. That is the button you push in that holds the motor still. Obviously, it ain't supposed to be sticking out that far. It was only sticking out like that. But just by me setting it down, and I'll show you. I set it down just like this. I didn't drop it. I just set it down, and this popped out. Don't ask me how it popped all the way out, but it did. It looks like it's got a groove, so hopefully it'll pop back in and stay in. I don't know. I've tried, but so far I can't get it to stay in. But like I said, it's really no big deal. It don't hinder the tool, because all you got to do is stick something in there, a pin or a pick or whatever, to hold the motor still to take those pads off. And most of the time, they're not really all that tight anyway. Okay, quick update on the button. You see inside there, I don't have anything to point with, but you can see inside there, right here, there is a little E-clip. See me moving it? Apparently, when I set the tool down, that E-clip fell off. Now, the only reason I took this tool apart is because I noticed on that little shaft of that button that it had a groove around it. So some kind of clip, either a snap ring or E-clip or something, should have been on there to hold that in. So sure enough, when I took this part off, where the pad screws on, it was laying there. So I just had to squeeze in, because I tried it. I took it out. I put the E-clip on the shaft, and it just fell right back off. So there was no tension on it to begin with. I don't even know how it stayed on this long. Maybe the grease that was packed in there, but by me turning it on, I guess it slung the grease away from the little E-clip, and it pulled the grease moved and pulled the E-clip off. I don't know. But I just squeezed the E-clip in a little bit, just ever so slightly. You can't squeeze them in too much because you'll deform them. But it holds for now. If it comes off again, I have E-clips and I have small snap rings. I may put a snap ring on it instead of that E-clip so that don't happen again. But I just wanted to let you know it is fixable. So, I mean, I don't know. Maybe it didn't get pushed on all the way. Who knows? Whatever reason. But at least it was in there and was able to be fixed, and something wasn't anything broke, right? Haven't even used it yet. So anyway, just want to let you know that. Like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.